In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Sheets comments and notes. If you're cleaning up a spreadsheet, removing old feedback, or just keeping things organized, deleting comments and notes in Google Sheets is very simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through both parts so you can quickly remove a comment thread first and then delete a note from a cell. Start by opening your Google Sheet. Make sure you're in the spreadsheet where the comment or note is located. Comments and notes can look similar at first, but they behave a little differently, so it helps to pay close attention to what appears when you click or hover over a cell. To delete a comment, click on the comment you want to remove. This will open a preview of that comment thread. Once the preview appears, move your cursor over it and look to the top right corner of the comment box. You'll see the three-dot menu there. Click those three dots to open the comment options. From that menu, click Delete. Google Sheets will then ask you to confirm that you want to delete the comment thread. This is an important step because deleting a comment thread removes the conversation, not just a single message inside it. To continue, click Delete again to confirm. At that point, the comment thread will be removed from the sheet. If you're working in a shared spreadsheet, this can be helpful for clearing out resolved discussions or removing comments that are no longer relevant. Just keep in mind that once deleted, the thread is no longer visible in the sheet. Now let's move on to deleting notes. Notes are different from comments because they're usually simple cell annotations rather than conversation threads. To remove a note, locate the cell that contains the note you want to delete. Then right-click on that cell. A context menu will appear with several options related to that cell. From the menu that appears, click Delete Note. As soon as you select that option, the note is removed from the cell. Unlike comments, there's no separate confirmation window in this process, so make sure you've selected the correct cell before deleting it. And that's it. To remove comments in Google Sheets, open the comment, use the three-dot menu, choose Delete and confirm. To remove notes, right-click the cell and select Delete Note. It's a quick way to keep your spreadsheet clean, easier to read, and ready to share with others.